How to best use Sales Navigator. Proven strategies and pitfalls. AnyBiz. Sales Navigator is LinkedIn's premium tool for salespeople. It enhances standard LinkedIn features with advanced options to secure, manage, and network with sales leads, aiming to help close deals faster and more accurately. Who should buy Sales Navigator? Sales Navigator suits various users aiming to boost their sales outreach. This includes sales professionals, recruiters, development teams, marketing teams. Sales Navigator elevates LinkedIn's standard functions, customizing them for sales professionals. It facilitates detailed lead and account searches through precise filtering options such as geography, industry, company size, and job role, enabling salespeople to focus exclusively on their target clients and decision makers. Sales Navigator boosts efficiency, increases conversion rates, and enhances sales engagement by offering advanced search and filtering, structured lead management, and personalized communication options through InMail. 5 effective strategies to maximize lead generation with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. 1. Utilize advanced search capabilities. LinkedIn Sales Navigator offers precise search filters like company size, industry, function, and seniority, saving time and focusing on high-potential leads. 2. Leverage lead recommendations. Based on your activity metrics, Sales Navigator suggests leads outside your manual searches, continuously updating to expand your quality contacts. 3. Create and monitor custom lists. Organize prospects with custom lists based on criteria like industry or location, ensuring no lead is overlooked and tailoring follow-up strategies. 4. Engage with insights. Monitor prospect lists regularly to adapt to changes, ensuring personalized outreach and staying ahead of opportunities. 5. Save and follow accounts. Proactively track strategic accounts for updates or potential leads, enabling faster response to new opportunities. Over-reliance on automation risks losing the personal touch in sales. Regularly refine search criteria to adapt to changing markets. Stay updated on platform changes for maximum effectiveness. AnyBiz, powered by AI, enhances B2B lead generation when integrated with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Its AI-driven tactics personalize outreach, boost lead qualification, and prioritize prospects effectively. By continuously analyzing data and integrating with CRM systems, AnyBiz ensures measurable performance improvement and optimized sales strategies. Just before you go, take a moment to show your support. Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with our latest releases.